I think it should be working now. Try. I think should have sound as well lah. I saw you on some ad or some online video. Oh, legit lah. Why sir? From where? Bro, ni kirakan POV How does a trader see the screen? Yes. This is what I see. When the chart go against me. No. POV trading. It's kind of memes lah actually. Tengah pakai meta spec ni. Betul. You are right, Syahir. In fact, you are over there. This is my chat. Cool. Actually kind of cool lah, sir. I have my phone also over here, so it's like it's kind of lit lah. Okay. Apa ni? Your good tagline though, POV trading. Sad lah. Shai say, good to finally see you on my TikTok again, bro. It's all love, man. All love. Wrong camera. I got another one over here. My bad. It's all love, bro. It's all love. Right? Okay, so how much I got the camera? It was cheap lah. It's quite cheap. But it's quite fun lah. At least got new angle. If somebody screen cap this. POV trading. No face for today. It's okay. Right. Is it a Sony cam? This one? Yes, it is. Right. But for now, you guys are on here. Right. The way I see the chart right now, things are looking good for Euro USD. So I think it's very positive. Maybe I'll take a choice soon. Good choice on the Sony. Yeah, I love mirrorless cameras, bro. Mirrorless cameras are the bomb. Right. Let me make sure my audio is muted as of right now because if it is, it's gonna be very very noisy. Yeah. Can you check XRP daily please? Sure thing, bros. Sony is just so crisp. Apa nak beli? Yes, Sony is the crispiest camera ever, bro. It's super duper crispy. I love it so much. Aku nak beli. Go ahead . XRP daily, sure man. Trading View. That's the name of the game. Right, we pull up Trading View over here. But one more money keep flying. It's okay lah. My money fly also when I bought this. Let's see, XRP. No, this is the wrong one. Crypto. XRP. It's not XRP market cap. Actually, this one. US dollar. Oh, it's been a while since I look at XRP, Mr. Leafy. The cam cannot see 165 degree view. I can set to wider, I think, but because right, I'm doing vertical video, right? Then it's like a bit susah, right? It's a bit susah. Okay, my bad. I wish the only way is for me to go further back but then also macam tak lawak. No, don't fall. Okay. No, but you guys just try your best to deal with this camera angle view for now. Tak salah, masih can set wide angle but very tedious. Oh, this camera cannot set wide angle lah. Sad to say. This camera can. Right. I just realised you took the light sikit. I gave comment in light chat. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm not active on there, man. Cause I'm looking at the TikTok live chat, so it's a bit hard for me to like see all the comments all at once. Lain angle dah macam Iron Man. On lampu. Okay. Well, okay lah, kind of sick right, to have other angles. Metaspec not for not adding wide angle lens. This is not Metaspec but yeah lah, close enough I guess. Okay lah. Let's see Okay. Is it the camera that you bought for refresher at Cikgu's house? Yes, yes it is. It's this one. I always have this one camera lah, so it's just for fun. Okay, anyways, Leafy asked for XRP and I haven't done that yet, but okay. So we can see right previously from my lines on my chart right, and whenever I move it's an issue this camera. Whoa, focus, hello. Please focus on the screen. Okay, there you go. Moving back slowly. Okay. Right, let me zoom in. Make this chart a bit bigger so it can be seen clearer. Right, details on this camera not great lah. Like this camera, not that camera. Right, that camera is amazing lah. Okay, anyways. Down to here for XRP. Right, but we can see that it's been playing around like this ah. So what is the play now on XRP? Let's have a look. Right, looks like this. Looks like, this line is not nice. Right, maybe we draw out something like this. It looks like an inverse head and shoulder though. Right, I don't know if you guys see that lah. It looks like an inverse head and shoulder, like right here. There's another resistance here lah. But what this looks like to me, right, is this. An inverse head and shoulder right here. Let me just open this picture bigger. Aku baru notice the text kat atas dah macam new channel gitu. Betul. Right, so there's this movement right here which is an inverse head and shoulder, which would mean upward movement lah. But you can see right now right, it's just ranging ah. So like the ranging it's a ranging market for everything right now. Everything is like that, It's just moving sideways. There is no really upward or downward movement. So for this I would say it's just ranging right for now Aku literally tengah lari sambil dengar live kau. Damn, jiwa. Thanks Aizat. Just all loves I'm gonna pin this comment. Quite cool. I'm actually enjoying this It's kind of sick I want to see how it looks like. Dah kata fitness trader, mesti lah. He actually does a lot of fitness content Shahir, if you want to check it out lah. It's kind of sick though. Okay lah. Anyways, you guys tell me what chart you want me to analyze. Tell me what chart to analyze. I actually want to take a trade not gonna lie. Haha, mood. Tengah running away from the charts. Leafy says thank you. Oh, okay, you're welcome, man. So love. How do I like the comment? Can I like it? Just like. Anyways, I'll keep going I'll keep going. Let me have a look. See at what I can do right with you guys. My friend sent me Golden Village 1-for-1. Got 1-for-1 at Golden Village. Quite solid guys. You guys should check it out also. Wait, let me just screenshot this. Good things must share. So recently my friend sent me this. Golden Village got 1-for-1 movie tickets, $9 regular popcorn. Time to go watch movie anybody got watch Sinners or not? Sinners. I know got the new movie is called Sinners, pasal vampire or something. And then Blood Brothers. I want to watch Blood Brothers. I think I'm watching it on Sunday. No, belum tengok. It's okay it's chill What asset do you love to trade? Honestly, I love to trade Euro USD. But Euro USD is not considered an asset so much as a currency But if you talk about asset right, maybe like metals like gold Syahir cakap orang kata tak mau tengok. For which one? Blood Brothers ke, Sinners ke, Thunderbolts? Nanti dapat sihir. Rabak saya. Leafy says not bad, but not really that horror movie. Okay. Can lah. Oh, for Sinners. Okay. I thought Blood Brothers rabak pula. Nak kena sihir. Okay, anyways, I think Euro USD is looking good. I'm gonna try lah. Right, let me set 10% risk percentage. Right, take a small lot lah. SL, let's take a look. I think my SL realistically is about, let's put 160. And TP maybe we aim high. I'm gonna put it right in between. I aim for this 60. You just try. Actually, I got 90. You know, I just put 80. 1:2 ratio, and let's go. Bismillah. Smart trading on. Where it is? Okay, nice. Hey guys, start controversial topic. Nak naikkan views. Guys, Forex trading. No, I'm kidding. No way. It's always like that. I'm gonna pin this. Hey, leafy and a rose and a chicken. Thanks. Hey, ada rendang now. Hey, thanks. Long time never do live. Now got rendang. Hey, thanks guys. Okay lah. Hey, ni benda kenapa ni? I need to refresh. Top left, let me put this as lights. Okay. Oh, tu pasal ni benda kat sini. Is that why? Oh, it's because of this, is it? Okay. Forex halal ke tak? Chat looking kind of meek. Right. I'm actually... I just show you all this. I'm actually like this. Okay, this is what everybody else is seeing. And this is actually what you guys are supposed to be seeing. It's supposed to be like this view and this view also. But because I'm stuck on this screen over here, right, terpaksa lah I do live like this. But it's okay, right? It's okay. I think this setup is only for today. Right, I think TikTok tell me, right, that after 25 minutes then tomorrow I can continue again. But this is what I look like. Right, this is what I look like. Actually kan, I need advice on class 3 license. Private ke sekolah better? Okay, depends. Right, depends. If you have a very good private instructor that you know of, then you stick with the private instructor. Right, you get it. Usually if like a friend refer the guy solid, right, usually orang Melayu are solid, then you stay with that and continue private. But then right, if you don't know any good private instructor, right, stay far away, right, and then just do sekolah. Because sekolah, right, they teach you better. Number 1, they teach you better. Number 2, right, the instructors are nicer, more forgiving. And number 3, right, they actually teach you properly. And number 4, more time on circuit, which is the most important. You need more time on circuit. If you don't have circuit, right, then you will confirm plus chop fail. But the thing is, right, the private instructors, dorang kadang-kadang macam CB, you know, because they purposely don't like put you on the circuit until like the last 1 week before your TP. And then after that, you will macam not be comfortable lah. Then terpaksa lah, like you will have to like fail and then take more circuit and then try again. And they like to do that a lot, which is why I don't like private lah. Because they got no incentive, right? They got no incentive to see you pass, you see. If you fail, right, the more time they took private. Ask me say, really ke, I took private? Yeah, no, it's some private instructors are good, some private instructors are bad. From my experience lah, I got hear more horror stories from private than macam, my private instructor damn nice lah. So, you know, it just do be like that lah. Alright, chill and go. So if it looks like I'm just gonna do school je lah. I mean, depends on the slots also. Actually, it's like, how to say, it's two sides of the coin, you know. Private, right, you can book a lot of lessons. But whether the lessons good or not is another thing. School, you can like susah nak book lesson. But then, right, if you do book the lesson, it's gonna be more quality lah. But it's not as solid lah. Dia cakap bike license tak cukup. Siapa cakap tak cukup? Memang cukup lah. Oh my days. Asal suara sedak-sedak ni. But okay, I do actually want to take this trade. But let me just clear my... Let me put it back in. Okay, I am, as you can see, I'm in a fancy trade, right? Okay, just vibes lah, right? Ikut-ikut je lah. You can see I can measure my risk to reward. It's kind of cool lah. So if let's say I want to risk more, I can just click and then I can drag. But ni just gila lah. I will not do that lah. At most to most, I risk until this EMA only. Right, cool kan guys? Cool kan? For those of you inside the community also probably never see this before also lah. But it's kind of sick lah. I quite like it. So maybe I lower a bit lah. Yes, I said okay. Yeah, vibes. Alright, and as you can see, currently berapa sen je lah. Berapa sen? Okay, 50 sen. Boleh. Jadilah. Okay. Looks like I'm caught in a conundrum now. Let's just talk this through slowly lah. Do you macam, how to say do you know any good private instructors? And like, are you comfortable taking school? Yeah, that's pretty much all you really need to know lah. I don't know any good private instructor. Okay, where are you gonna take? CDC or SSDC or BBDC? Because BBDC tai ah. It's just bad ah. BBDC is just bad. There's nothing redeeming about BBDC. Yeah, which school you taking? Betul lah. Which school you taking? Which school you taking? Inky pinky ponky. Okay, sorry. Yeah, but anyways, this is the new expert advisor that we are using lah. It's quite cool. Let me just show you so you can see that how much I'm choosing, right? How much of my lot size I'm using, what is my take profit, what is my stop loss, right? It's quite sick Then you can see that how much risk also calculate. So for now I'm risking only 0.78 of my account. Then you can see that this is the trade I'm taking. Then I can even like auto break even. I can even auto TP. Where is it? This one, the auto TP button. So I can just click over here, swing, and then it will auto TP for me. Auto move my SL for me. But I think I want to move my SL a bit lower, right? Because I think it's too high, right? But look at this over here. We are now up $2. Okay lah, boleh lah. $2 boleh, right? On just one chill trade, right? How far are we up? Okay, about 250. Okay, chill. Hey guys, I pause the live a while then I restart again. Can or not? I BRB I BRB. Like I end and I restart. Okay, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello guys. Hello. Right, we are up $1 as of right now. Hey, hello sunflower. Yo, hello guys. So many people in live today. Hello, hello, hello. Right. Today we are vibing, right, and we are enjoying, right, this. So right now we are up. Right, you can see this is there and that is settled. So let's have a look, eh? Right. Currently we are up about focus sikit, focus. We are up about $1.35 lah, eh. $1.35. Take my word for it. Right, you can see all in all, movement is a bit slow in the market this week. Right, but should be doing alright lah. Should be doing alright. Right, my quality also a bit mid so I apologize guys, but don't worry. If you want to check out the link in bio, right, I actually am streaming on other platforms as well. Right, I'm streaming on other platforms as well. You can check it out. You can see my charts lah if you look at other platforms. Right. What happened? Took a break for a while. Right. Okay. Let's see lah if more people show up today. Welcome back, Randan, Faru 10 km and yeah, let's go. 10 km and you, I can 10 km tomorrow if I really wanted to. Just kidding, just kidding. Right, 10 km end of year is still tough. You think I can show my face also? Wait, jap. I see if I can. Oh, sheesh, I can. Hello guys. Right, so today we are we're doing this, we are looking at charts. Right, we're looking at charts. Let me see if I can pull it back real quick. Right, we're looking at this right today. Right, you can see this is the angle. Right, okay. We are still up lah. We are still up. Right, small amounts, but doesn't matter. Right, pro style trading is the way. Right, pro style trading is always the way, guys. Right. Anyways, if you look over here, right now we are doing quite well. Right, we're doing quite well. So far this is risk to reward is set to about 1:2. Right, 1:2. Right, and you can see lah that currently we are up. If it will focus lah. Right, it's been ranging lah. It's been ranging for a good while. Right, so I don't expect to be up for like the longest time. Right, but it's okay. Right, let's just let it roll lah. Right, you can see that okay, I'm up on this, right, and I'm also up on that as well. Right, so this is the whole setup right, this is the whole setup, and even got even wrapping the merch I'm wrapping merch while doing live. It's sick it's sick. Right, then we can look at this as well. Alright lah, actually quite fun Yeah, I have to select the merch. Right, you gotta kiss the badge, bro. Okay, anyways, back to this Right, let's focus on this. Right, so as of right now, the way things are looking. Okay, let me fix the angle. Okay, yeah, the way things are looking is quite positive lah for Euro USD. Right, we are up to $0.10 now. Right, what a beautiful white chocolate. What are these comments? Okay, I'm gonna pin that. It's fun. Right, hello guys. For those of you that are joining and coming and going, right, I see you. I see you and I hope you guys are enjoying. Right. Uh, let's just have a look see as what we can do lah. As to what we can do. Okay. Maybe let's take a look at this. I just put this open here. Ni baru Steam. Right, then I can close this here. Nyok. Itu dia. I leave this here. Right. Okay. Right. Then it's just vibes. Right, we will just chill mango, right, for about 25 minutes. 25 minutes to an hour. We just enjoy. Right, we just enjoy. For you guys out there, right, if you guys are trading, just ask. I don't mind. Right. Education here is the number one priority lah, I would say. Right. Let me just check out my OBS real quick. Oh, you guys can see the chat also. That's kind of cool. That's vibes actually. Okay lah. Right, that's sick. Wait, if I put OBS here, right, will it be infinite? No, not really lah. Okay, I'm gonna close the OBS. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Right, so I see Atal Taufik also here. Hi, Mr. Atal Taufik. Right, are you a trader as well? Azmil saya redang lah. Hello, thanks Azmil. Thanks, it's all love. Okay. Right, trade still positive. Right, trades are still positive. Maybe we look at pound as well. Right, I see you all trade during the competition, so I like jealous. I cannot participate. Right, first prize like what? iPad, right? No, not iPad. MacBook. Azmil, how? Can or not? Can win the competition or not? Right, you up how many percent now? NXXGX, what's your thought on FOMC later? Let me have a look. Right, let's pull up the Forex Factory and have a look. What news are coming out? Why cannot, Azmil? Hey, let me check the news for you, Mr. What's your name again? NXXGX. Right, so FOMC is actually later at 2 a.m. Right. Oh, federal funds rate is 4.5%. I do suspect they will keep the rates high, or they might cut. But so far I never hear any news. Right. The rumor is the rates will stay the same lah. So I would think that will be bullish for the US dollar. Right. For FOMC statement, I wouldn't know. So right, it could go either way lah. Really. Hey, Isaac send friendship. Thanks, Isaac. It's all love, man. Right. Cannot rabat already. Draw down for this EU. I mean, got chance, you know. There's a chance lah. We just need the market to move. Right now I am up $1.25. If you want, I donate to you. I donate to you the $1.25. Will that help? Will that help with your efforts? Right. Okay. But the drawdown really like very bad, man. Like realistically. Yeah, I see another person inside live. Hello. Right, Dex stay also in the live. Hi Dex. If you want me to analyse any chart, just let me know. Isaac says same, but never mind. Kita keep fighting. Hell yeah, that is the name of the game. You gotta keep fighting. You gotta keep fighting to win. Yes, biggest was 22%. Wow, 22%. Solid, yeah. Right. Shafiq Huraira also in the chat. Hey Shafiq. Right. If you guys want me to analyse any chart, just let me know. Right now we are up $1. Right. Maybe we play risky business. We take a look at gold. Right. Let's take a look. Itchy hand. Itchy hand. Let's see if we can pull out gold. Where is it? Symbols is control U. Control U. Metals futures. Nope. Forex metals. Forex metals. There you go. Close. It's so flying, fly to Chinatown. Okay, I'm up $2. Woohoo! Sorry. I don't celebrate so much. If I celebrate the whole chart moves, bro. If you guys want to analyze any chart, let me know. Ask me to analyze any chart. Right, but for now we take a look at gold lah. Right, let me just put the text over here. Pew. Okay, USD H4. Let us make it nice and big the font. Area will do. Okay. Right, so this is XAUSD. Or maybe I just leave it there. Hey, cat JPY. Okay. Let me finish on gold first. I want to take one trade before I sleep. If you got opportunity, I take one trade before I sleep. Right. Let's take a look. Look something like this. It's so fly to Chinatown. Okay, it's vibes. Let's see. Something like that. Down cycle, pink Titan arrow. Looks like gold is going down. Are you on a buy? I'm on a buy for the euro, I think. Right. Follow as you wish. Right. But I will not encourage. Right. This is purely educational. We take a look here. Gold looks very bearish. Right, let me just take out the camera and then show you guys. So you can see, please focus. Focus camera. Focus. Okay, sekejap, sorry. Okay, sorry, I showed the camera too much. Right? Now it's stressing out. Right, so you can see, right, if my camera focus, then you can see that currently, let me just zoom in. You can see that gold is bearish. Right, for the very short term lah, very short term. Right, it is bearish. Right, so you can actually look to sell lah. However, if you look at the long term major trend, right, it is upwards lah. It is a very strong buy lah. But I think it's gonna retrace to about 30 or maybe even 100 EMA, and then it will continue on the way up. Look at this. Why I cannot use this camera TikTok? Why? Mabuk saya aku actually. If I were you all, I'm sorry. Let me know. Is the live quality garbage or is it good enough? nak kena post sikit. How do the girls get live? No? Oh, pening. Sorry. Right, somebody followed. Shafiq Uraya followed. Thanks for the follow, bro. Right, let me just pin this comment real quick. Right, yeah, let's continue. Right, looking at the chart, we are very positive. Very is a bit ni kalau buka lot size 10, sedap sikit. Right, okay, anyways. Habis. Stok gambar sudah dapat. Don't. Kau screenshot Alamak, kurang ajar sih screenshot. That's it, delete. Jangan simpan, I don't like. Right, okay. Anyways, gold is looking bearish lah, short term. Maybe we can try snipe, like a quick one. A cheeky 10 pip. We try see. Actually no, there's no space for 10 pips even. There's no space for any pips even. It's riding on all the EMAs. Okay, never mind. No cheeky 10 pips. Right, but Euro USD has been positive for me, which is great. Right now we are up. We are up. How many pips is this? About 5. Why so many indicators? Not really. It's quite little actually. My chart is very empty. This is okay. So if you want to ask, right, why so many indicators, right, it's because, right, I need to have as many confluence as possible. If I rely on just one indicator, right, that's as good as not trading with enough. $2 and beyond XAUSD, yes it is. Okay, wait. JLL99, let me explain first. Okay, let me swap to my face because I think you need to see. Okay, so why do you need to have multiple indicators? So the reason why you need to have multiple indicators, right, is actually because if you rely on just one indicator, right, your evidence is not conclusive. So as a trader, right, I will encourage you to trade with multiple sources of evidence because this brings you more confidence in your trade, right? And indicators, right, they're not 100% correct all the time. So the way you need to do it, right, is you need to rely on multiple sources. So if let's say one indicator is telling you one thing, look at what the other indicator is telling you, and then you form a decision for yourself. So it's same like, you know, when you have your two best friends, right, they form an argument. Let's say for example, if you look at the chart over here, right, your two best friends, right, they are in an argument, for example. Then one of them tell you this, one of them tell you that the other friend like slapped him. Then the other friend tell him that, hey, actually the other friend slapped him. Then it's like, okay, how do I know who to side with? How do I know who's right, who's wrong? So if you actually are working with enough indicators, right, it's not good enough, right? And he said, JLL99 says, but isn't indicators lagging? Technically, right, to a certain extent, right, all indicators are lagging. Because, right, indicators, right, they take data from your chart, they churn it out based on like, some algorithm, right, depending on what indicator you use. Some are more simpler than others. But they churn out this basically data, and then they give you a visual cue to buy or to sell. So yes, they are lagging, but they can be very predictive. So some things like price action, it's also lagging. What, you're using previous data to find a future movement in the market. So same with indicators. So technically, right, all form of trading, right, to a certain extent, is lagging. And it's best, right, if you want to use indicators, right, to have multiple points of confirmation. So I hope that answers your question, Mr. JL99. Right, it's just no hate, it's just education. Right, I really feel like if you want to have indicators, right, it's best to have multiple points of confirmation. Sorry, I'm looking at the chat, right, and looking at the chart and looking at the camera at the same time. This is tough. But rest assured, next time I do live, right, I'll be doing it with that camera, and hopefully, where's it? These camera angles will work as well, right? Actually pretty sick, right? But for now, you'll have to work on this camera because TikTok is giving me issues, right? So please bear with me, right? By the way, right, Gen99, if you want to learn more about Forex, we are having an event, right, at Hotel Gen, right? It's free, so if you wanna sign up, you can just DM me, right, then we can talk more about it lah. If you guys are interested lah, right, this is, I'm not gonna force anyone to join, but basically it's like a seminar where we just share more about how to begin your forex journey, because a lot of people have these questions, like what indicators do I use, or how many indicators do I use, or how many indicators is too many, how many is too little, what is the best strategy to start trading with, right? How do I rely on this or that, right? If you guys wanna actually start your forex trading journey, right, or just trading in general, like, this is a good place to start because it's completely free of charge. It's gonna be a whole day, right? It's gonna be with this guy, right? His name is Lee Walker. He's traded over 7 figures in funds. He's from the UK, and we are flying him down over here to like teach beginners on how to start trading, right? So it's completely free of charge, and it's something that I would encourage beginners to attend. And if you guys are interested, then you can just DM me, right? No worries, right? But if not, then it's okay also, right? I'm not so pressed about that, right? But anyways, back to the chat. Let's have a look. Say, I'm gonna put you guys back in the shirt pocket, right? If you guys got any questions on the chat, also just let me know, right? I will guide you guys along. But for now, this is maybe I'll just go for, you know what? It's 1-to-1, right? I'll just try. Right, small lots, right? Small lots, just chill mango, right? Let's take one. I'll just leave out the stop loss first. Let me put this in. It's about can lah. We take a cheeky 500 . Oh, this issue again. Expect, let's remove. Is it objects list? Objects list? No. Yes, it is. All the way to the bottom, all the way to the top. Where is it? Sorry, sometimes, right, I got issues on my chart. Right, hey, thanks for the share, bros. Thanks for the share. Let me pin this comment. If you guys want to share the live, please do. It's okay. I'm good on my own. No worries, bro. No worries. Right, trading on your own is fine. So, right. If like some people, right, they prefer a more helping hand. So that's why I'm suggesting that this whole seminar lah. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Right. It's all chill mango. Okay. Now it worked. Okay. Let me just put this on my top left. We go for a small lot. Right, and then we shall take a... Alright. We go for a cheeky 250. Let's drag this out. And we'll drag this out as well. Right, just under... Okay, so for gold, we have taken an interesting stance. Let's just see how it plays out. Right, risk to reward is about 1 to 1. Right, I'm risking only 1% of my account lah, so it's fine lah. JL99 say, be careful, 2 AM high impact news. Yep, I have taken note of that, and that is why I set an appropriate stop loss, because I do feel that this opportunity is fine lah. Right, even if there's news involved, I don't think it will affect it that much until I will get stopped out. So no worries, right? This has all been analyzed. Right, I will update lah again in the group chat how this goes. But okay lah, it's quite chill lah. Two Riders and Beyond says XAUSD analyzed. Right, so far it's been looking very positive. Right, it's been riding on this lower support level. Right, it's just bounced off this top level over here. Where do I think it's going? It's probably going to come down over here. Right, it's going to come down over here to this point, which is the 30 moving average. Right, 30 moving average, and I think it will continue down to the 100 if it does continue going down. However, I really do expect this to be positive. So right, I'll just play this out. It's okay. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm totally fine with that. Right, getting stopped out is totally normal in part of trading. Right, if you guys are afraid, right, if you guys are afraid to get stopped out, then that is where you tend to suffer lah. With trading, right, it's better, right, if you guys are more willing to take risks. Not saying you should risk your whole account, but if you guys don't make risk, right, then you lack the reward, you see. So it's best for you to make some sort of risk, then therefore you can reap some sort of reward. Because one thing that I learned in life, right, is that there's no such thing as reward without risk. To a certain extent, you're always risking something. Like if you go to your 9 to 5 job, what are you doing? You're actually trading your time for your money, you see. Right, so there is always some risk involved. You're risking your time, and how do you know if that time is something that you will get back? Right, how do you know that time is something I will get back? So this is what I personally feel like. You should always remember that your risk and reward always comes together, and if you're unable to put some risk, then you're not gonna get any reward. So it's a numbers game lah, right? Over time you risk more, over time you reward more, right? So it's normal lah. Hey, Zafri's in the chat. Hi Zafri. Right, man's just lurking. Right, never say anything, just lurking. Right. Yeah, basically open invite to anyone in the chat, right? Free classes if you guys are interested. Later I will share it out lah. I'm sorry for the moving camera. This is something that is out of my control lah. It's something that I will have to do for today, and then tomorrow it is something that will be fixed. So no worries on this part, guys. Right, but for now, just deal with it lah. That's all I can say. Right, so XAUSD overall I think it's positive. Euro USD also overall I think it's positive. So I think just continue. Hey Faru, long time. When's the class? Inshallah, brother. Long time no see, and slowly lah. Hey, when's the class? 17th of May. If you want to come down for the seminar, it's on the 17th of May. It's completely free of charge. If you want, just DM me. Right, I'll send you the details. Here. Right here. Seventeenth is it's a Saturday. Yeah. I'll link you lah to the website and everything with all the details if you're interested. Right, no worries, bros. No worries. But we'll chill lah. We'll chill. Is the info on your I'll blast you guys, okay? Right, just later I'll shoot later. Okay? Just probably DM me to remind me, and then I'll blast in the Telegram group, alright? Alright, no worries guys, no worries. Okay. Anyways, it's been a while already. Okay, wait, let me just do one last shout out into the camera, right? And I'll just leave this here for the memes. Hey guys, on the 17th of May, it's a Saturday if I'm not wrong, we are having a Forex seminar from 8:30 a.m. all the way to 2 p.m. It's completely free of charge, and there's gonna be super duper loaded. It's gonna be super duper loaded, right, with a lot of info, right? I'm gonna be speaking, right? My CEO is gonna be speaking. He has over 20 years of experience, right? Who else is gonna be speaking? Lee Walker is gonna be speaking. He has over, I think it's more than 20 years already, right? It's quite an old fella. He's from the UK. Right, it's literally just some Mat Salleh guy. No lah. He's quite a experienced guy, right? He's over 20 years of experience. He's managed over 7 figures in funds, so he's like tens of millions. It's kind of solid, right? So if you guys are interested, you guys can come down. Okay. I'm sorry if for you guys who are watching now, right? That is not for you. That is actually for the camera, because I'm going to clip that and I'm going to make that into content. I'm just lazy like that. If I want to stop, re-record, make content, it's gonna be tough. So might as well I just do that right now. Ooh, right now we are in the negative. Right, but it's only a slight negative. I'm okay with that. Right, the lot size ain't too big either. Right, you can see that is my lot sizes. Right, and it's kinda chill lah. It's kinda chill. You can see this is my chart. Right, it struggles a bit with this red and green color. Right, you can see lah that right now that the risk to reward is about 1:1. I've entered it onto here lah. So you can see that the risk is only about 0.82, the lot is 0.05, the risk is about 163 pips, 64 pips that I'm aiming for. Sorry, this is 1:2. This is not the gold one. The gold one is this one. Right, the gold one is this. Right, this is what I'm aiming for. And this is everything lah. So my risk is about 1%. Lot is about 0.03, TP about 458, and then SL is about 531. Right. Oh, okay. That's okay, ONL. Right, if the timing not favoring you, then it's fine. Right, but this seminar, right, is only, we only have it like twice a year. Twice a year. So it's quite rare, you see. If you really can come down there, it'll be quite nice lah. Right. Because we're having at a hotel, that's the issue. Right, we're having at a hotel, so we cannot be booking hotels every weekend, you know. So this one is like a twice a year thing. We make it like really really grand, like really really big. We invite like over, like I think over 100 people at each time. The last seminar, right, had over 100 people. So this is like a big thing lah. If you could come down, it'll be sick. Right, it'll be quite sick. But if you cannot, then it's fine. Right, it's fine. Right, got a lot of people in the chat. Got Zafri, got Alia, got Luna, got Hexu. This one I cannot read. Baby Chinti. Then got Mimin, BTT, Huaimi. I cannot pronounce all the names. Right, I'm sorry guys. It's tough. It's tough, bro. Right, but anyways, right, ask me to analyze any chart. 12:15 I'll stop the live. Let me just pin this in the chat. Dude, I cannot tell if Zafri is lurking, right, or if he is actually watching, bro. Talk to you on DMs. Yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. Right, Chill Mango. I don't want to like pressure people lah. It's not like I'm pressuring you guys, but also like if can join is like solid lah. But if cannot, then never mind. You know? So far I'm just learning the 11 fellas inside my life. I'm still thankful lah for all 11 fellas, because it is something that is always grateful for, you know. Like the more people inside my life, the better lah. Right, it's not something that I see every single day. Right, people in my life and everything. Potato asks, what stock is this? This is not a stock, as you can see, right? This is XAUSD on the H4 time frame, right? And you can see that this is my chart lah. Right, stocks is something that I do as well, but however, I don't believe in live trading. Right, Potato says, yes, Potato, correct. Yeah. Hey, we are almost on 1,000 likes. How to register for the event? Hey, just DM me, right? DM me, and then I will give you guys the details. I will link you to the website. It's on Eventbrite. I don't know if you guys know the Eventbrite website, but Eventbrite is basically like a website that sells tickets, if I'm not wrong. Right, so you guys can join via there. But I'll give you the details in the DMs. Just DM me, and then after the live is over, I'll respond to you guys. Right, it's completely free of charge. there's a small no-show fee to deposit, right? But we will refund you once the seminar is over, right? This is because like we only have a certain number of packs that we cater for, and we cannot have people say, oh, I'm gonna come, but then in the end they just don't come, you know, right? Previously we had that, like we had like 200 packs coming down, and then in the end, like I think was like 100 packs didn't show up, so it's like a bit wasted, you see. But nowadays we have that no show fee in place lah. This is because of, like you say, reserving the seat purposes. But if you're not okay with that, then it's fine. I'm not gonna tell you that this is something you should do or you shouldn't, you know. Right. Okay. Hey, I realize I say right a lot. Yeah, I need to stop doing that. So far, right, my gold trade is doing better than my Euro USD trade. Euro USD is just bouncing on up and down on the 30 EMA as of right now. A bit annoying, right? You can see it's a bit annoying, but it's fine lah. Right, I'll be patient. On the other hand, right, USD JPY is looking kind of bullish, but the trend is still down overall lah, so I won't be fooled. Zai Sleazy say, I got zero knowledge in trading. How do I start? I am having a free event on the 17th of May, right? Completely free of charge. It's gonna be at Hotel Jen Tanglin. It's gonna be at Hotel Jen Tanglin. If you guys wanna come, just DM me and I'll tell you more about it. Right? ONL says done 2K. See ya. Bye ONL. Bye. Sorry, I waved to you here. Bye. Right, take care. Right, I'll see you tomorrow lah, probably. I'll be live at 10 PM again. Right, 10 PM. Inshallah, I'll be live at 10 PM. Right. I'll keep going until about 12:15, and then we'll call it a day. Cause I'm quite tired also. Okie dokes. It's so Friday Chinatown. Oh, I love that song. It's stuck in my head. I've been watching too many car TikToks, right? So like this Friday Chinatown song is stuck in my head. But okay, anyways, right now the trade is it's not positive lah. Right, it's not positive. Is it positive? No, it's not positive. It's negative lah. Right, but it's still chill mango. Right, it's still chill mango. This is the things that I said. You can see my lot size is small. Right. SL is 531. TP is about 458 pips. And the risk, I'm only risking 1% of my account, so it's fine. Anyways, it's positive now. Positive lah, but for a while it's like positive, negative, it's like bouncing between. This camera is garbage. Let me put you guys back in the shirts. Is it true in order to gain profit in trading you need to lose first? No. That is wrong. That's a wrong mindset, wrong mentality. These are people, right, who want to earn from you. Alright, you shouldn't be losing money in trading. You shouldn't be losing money in trading. But it's how you lose. That is basically the key difference. It's how you lose. So a lot of people say, oh, just lose your money. So they use $100, lose $200. But the thing is, right, they don't learn anything from it. If you lose money, right, and you don't learn anything from it, right, that money is just gone. But if you actually learn something from it, right, then actually it's valuable, you see. Because if let's say I lose money, right, because I realized that I trade at the wrong time, or this is the wrong setup, or I misunderstood the analysis, then it's okay. But most people out there, right, they are gambling, right? They're just throwing their whole account, which is why I don't think it's good lah, right? So no, it is not true that you need to lose first in order to gain, but you have to know how to lose. You have to know what you're losing for. You have to know what goes right and what goes wrong. Hey, taekwondo shirt guy. Hey man, it's been a while. Right, sorry, no face today. Tomorrow we'll have face. Right, the camera is already set up, but I think for today I'll just do this. For tomorrow we'll try something new. Right, I'm experimenting different setups, seeing how it goes. I just wanted to try this whole POV look first, so you guys can see this is you guys. And then this is the chat. I can see you here. Salam bro. Assalamualaikum to you bro. And this is you guys lah. Right. Mr. Taekwondo shirt guy, I got event on the 17th of May. You free or not? right? If you want come, it'll be chill lah. It's free lah. So macam kalau kau boleh datang and chill, it will be fun lah. Right, 17th of May. You let me know lah if you want to come or not. If you don't want to come also can. I just wanted to see you lah in person. Macam first time nak meet and greet, you know. First time meet and greet. It'll be quite fun lah. Right. Oppo says hi bro. Hey bro. Right, all love man. All love. SGK1, SZ, Coco Crunch, Fizzy. Oh, banyak orang sih. Not banyak sangat. I mean, I had more last time lah, but it's okay lah. Ni rezeki masing-masing. I'm still thankful lah that there's still people inside my life after all this, after so many days of not doing live. I still can pull a crowd lah. 90 people still good. How are you bro? Alhamdulillah, I've been okay. Right, just a little bit busy. Lama hilang? Yes. Honestly, no excuses lah. I have just not been consistent during the lives lah. I've just not been consistent. There is no excuses from me. But I'm back and inshallah I will try to make this a bit more consistent. I think doing this every day has been very, very tiring. Why today life like different? Because TikTok give me issues. I got banned, right? I got banned. Then after I came back, got my account. After I got my account, TikTok don't let me go live. Then after the live come back into the existence again, then I try to go live again. Then I try to go live, they say cannot show my screen. Right? So, how to do live like that? How to do live? I am a trader. How to do live without showing my screen? Susah apa? Right? Busy apa? Yes, busy indeed bro. Kau tengok. Right? This is my camera. This is my other camera. Right? I set up everything already, you know. I set up everything, you know. And then they say cannot. So, never mind. It's okay. Right? What I did was, I set up everything again on this. The YouTube. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? Actually, let me lower it. Yes, on the YouTube. Right, so basically this is like the setup. This is the screen that you can see actually by right. And then inshallah tomorrow will be this. I don't know if you can see that. This. Oh my day. This is garbage lah. I cannot do this anymore, bro. I cannot do this. Please, somebody save me. I hate doing live like this. No more 4K screen share. Can't. Oh, I'm so pissed off. Right, I think just TikTok hates me, bro. TikTok hates me. But anyways, this is the vibe. This is the vibe for today. Actually, I was just gonna end the live, you know. Cause you know, I'm tired. I'm tired and the live is not crispy. Tomorrow it will be crispy, inshallah. So just stay tuned with me lah. Right. I think I tired also. Hey guys, we wrap it up for today, okay? Alright, we wrap it up for today. I'm legitness tired and lah. Right, I'll see you guys tomorrow and I'll update on these two trades. So currently they are in a bit of a negative, but I think that's fine. Right, $14 only is fine lah. Right, I really think that this will end up positive. Right, this is my current trade. This is on XAUUSD on H4. These are my settings, right, for my pro trade management. This thing is free by the way. If you guys want this, right, you can let me know also. It's like a trade manager for you. Right, if you want this, let me know. FOMC at 2 AM. Okay, this guy says. Fizzy says FOMC at 2 AM. Betul. Right, what is the play on the FOMC? So we can see that previously, right, they said this. This one is more important than FOMC actually. Right. So I really think, right, that when this one comes out, it's gonna be the same price. I think so. Based on what they've been saying in the markets. And then for this one, right, the FOMC, I really don't know lah. You cannot predict FOMC. But when it does come out, then you will know lah. Right, you cannot predict FOMC. You have to wait for Powell to speak first. So when Powell speak, we will know. If Powell doesn't speak, then we won't know lah. Right. So don't waste your time trying to predict FOMC because it's really impossible. Right. You just have to go with the flow and then see from there. Right. For those people out there that say by the way to this camera also for those people out there that say FOMC can predict they are lying to you. Because it's impossible. It's literally impossible, right, to figure out FOMC. Right? It can only figure it out, right? What's going on, what's about to say, right? The data is about to come out, right? Once it's happened. So you cannot predict the movement. So don't bother trying to force that. Don't bother trying to go and figure out what is the movement here. Because you can't. Plain and simple is you cannot. right? So don't put yourself in that box. Don't pressure yourself to do that. And if other people are telling you that they can do that, right, then that means they are best friends with Jerome Powell. If they are best friends with Jerome Powell, then I say okay, right? His grandfather is Jerome Powell, his father is Jerome Powell, his brother is Jerome Powell, can, right? But if he's not, then don't waste your time on that. Okay, really don't waste your time. Fizzy says, alright, thank you, brother. No worries, man, no worries. Salah, your whole face covered the whole screen, sir. Really? Are we a bit too intimate if like that? Are we too intimate? Is it too big? Okay. Anyways, that is the last piece of advice I'll be passing you guys before I head off to bed. It's really quite late and I think I'll do this again tomorrow. Right, this is the last night for the US session. Is my current drawdown. Right, I'm negative about $14. $18, sorry, 18. I'm negative about 18. Right, I'll see you again tomorrow. Right, I'll be live again tomorrow at 10 p.m. Right, so take care, you guys. I'll update on these trades lah. If they go negative, I take a stop loss. I'll just tell you guys. I don't really care. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Right, it's part and parcel of being a trader. Right, so that's it from me. Good night. It's a soul flight, Chinatown.